Good morning, everyone. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. How is everyone on this wonderful Wednesday morning? It's kind of dreary and gloomy outside. I don't know if we're supposed to get rain today or not. I have no idea. But today is the first Wednesday of July, so it's Battle of the Stitches, and I didn't get my book out. Here it is. I was like, my word, Trace. All right, so it's Battle of the Stitches for July. And the stitch that we are working on this month is number 5. We're using, sorry, I should have showed this first. We're using this book, The Step-by-Step Guide to 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracy Todd Hunter. So this is the book that we are using. And we are on stitch number 5. And that is the Shallow Single Crochet. So pretty. So I am going to be showing you today how to do this stitch. Let me set that over here. We are so excited. Sorry, I got a tickle in my throat. We are so excited today because we have, and I'm going to pull this up so I don't say it wrong. We have Sid from Sweet Pea Sid's Inspirations joining us this month. Yay! I'm so excited. And I will have her channel linked in the description box below. But she is going to be joining us today. So when you're watching the Battle of the Stitches this month, make sure you watch my videos. Then hop over to Heather from Strings and Threads and watch her videos. And then hop over to Sweet Pea Sid's Inspirations to watch her Battle of the Stitch videos. She's joining us this month for our stitch. I cannot wait to see what these ladies come up with. I think you're going to be really excited to see what I'm making. But here's how it goes if you're new to the channel. Heather from Strings and Threads contacted me about this idea, and I thought it was great. And we have been having so much fun with this. Each month we pick a new stitch out of that book I just showed you. Each month we pick a new stitch, and on the first Wednesday we show you guys, we introduce the stitch that we're doing and we give a tutorial on how to do that stitch. The second Wednesday of the month we come back and we show you a sneak peek of the project we're working on to see if you can guess what we're making. Then the third week of the month we reveal our project and show you our finished project that we've made. This is not a pattern that we've gotten from somewhere. This is a project that we have designed and created ourselves. So it's a brand new project that we've created with that stitch. So then, and we will reveal what that is, and we will give you a tutorial on how to make that project. Then in the community tabs of on our channels, we will post a poll, and it will have all 3 of our names, mine, Heather's, and Sid's, and you get to vote on whose project you like the best. That means you're going to have to watch my videos, Sid's videos, and Heather's so you can decide which project you like the best. When you vote on that third Wednesday, when you place your vote, be sure to also leave a comment below the poll letting us know you voted. Otherwise, your name won't be included in the drawing. And on the 4th Wednesday, we will come on live. All 3 of us will come on live on Wednesday, and we will share whose project won. And then Heather will draw a name to win the project that got the most votes. I am so sorry. Excuse me. And that person's project, they will send that to the project to the winner. Okay. So that means you can vote on all 3 of our channels. So I encourage you to do that. But if you want to be included in the drawing, you have to leave a comment, because on those surveys, on those polls, it shows us the percentage of votes, but it doesn't tell us who voted. And the only way we're going to get your name in is if you comment below the poll. So be sure you vote on all 3 of our channels, okay? And let's see what else. I think that was it. If there's a fifth, this month only has, I believe it only has 4. Let me double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, there's 5 this month. Ooh, I didn't think about that. There are 5 Wednesdays this month. So today's the first one. Next Wednesday will be the reveal. Then we will have the third and fourth Wednesday will be open for voting. And then the fifth Wednesday, which is the 31st of July, is when we'll come on and do our live. So that's how it goes. If we have 5 Wednesdays in the month, we hold the voting open for 2 weeks instead of just 1. That's the difference. So if you are a content creator, we would love to have more than 1 content creator each month join us. So if you are a content creator and you would like to join us this month, you can still join in, or any of the other months. We have some other content creators lined up all the way through October, but we would love to have more of you join us each month. So if you are a content creator and you would love to join in on Battle of the Stitches and battle it out with me and Heather, then we welcome you and we would love to have you join us. So let us know. My email will be in the description box. You can even comment and say, hey, I want to do this with you, and we'll welcome you in. If you're not a content creator and you're a subscriber, you can still participate. Today we will have a video tutorial on the stitch. You can watch my tutorial, Heather's, and Sid's. And if you watch all 3, it helps to get in your head how to do the stitch. So I encourage you to watch all our videos today. But if you're not a content creator and you're a subscriber, you can still join us. You can take that stitch and you can create something, and then you can send us your pictures. So we have not had anybody do that yet, but we would love for you guys, our subscribers, to get in on this too. Now your project won't be eligible for the drawing. Only the content creators objects will be involved in the drawing. But as subscribers, if you submit us pictures, we'll include your pictures on our videos. So we are very excited and happy to do that, and we would love for you to join us. So I will have a separate video today. This is just telling you what the stitch is, and I will have a separate video out that will come out right after this one today that will have the tutorial for that stitch. So join us for Battle of the Stitches, and yeah, let us know what you think. I'm trying to think if there's anything I left out. I don't believe there is. So stay tuned this month for Battle of the Stitches. And guys, please join us. We would love to have you with us. The more the merrier. Yet. So I will see you later today for the tutorial of the shallow single crochet. And we'll see you then. Talk to you later. Have a great day, guys.